Check out this 2022 Custom Toyota Tundra that was built by Markquart Toyota. This truck was revamped from the ground up, starting with a 2-inch Westcott Lift Kit, giving this Tundra a whole new stance. The truck also received 20-inch TRD Alloy wheels with TRD Pro center caps and Nitto Recon Grappler AT tires, making this Tundra ready for any adventure. We added a CBI Covert bumper to the front of the Tundra to set this truck apart from the others and to provide added functionality for those off-road enthusiasts. Included in this sleek aftermarket bumper is a SmittyBilt winch, fog lights, and a 20-inch light bar for all of your off-roading needs. To dress the truck up even more, we tinted the windows, installed a tonneau cover on the bed, blacked out the tailgate emblems, and added a black exhaust tip. To order and customize your next Tundra, see Markquart Toyota in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin.